It was a miracle in Zimbabwe. Diesel was gushing out of a rock. This was Mbuya Mavinga, or Mavunga, whatever. He went on to dupe a government full of educated people. In Zimbabwe, we have a school of mines, a school which can deal with geological issues, with scientific issues. But a full government with a Minister of Mines was duped by a lady, a Nganga, who is uneducated. And they were told to remove their shoes. They were told that there is diesel in Chinoi, which is gushing out of a stone. And songs and jingles were composed. Kwaita diziri kuchinoi, raonekwa nenganga. And they were played on Radio Zimbabwe so that everybody in Zimbabwe could actually buy this rhetoric. What do you expect from such gullible people who believe that diesel is no padombo, who believe that diesel will come out of a rock? These are gullible people. So when you expect service delivery, you have to look back from 1980, see the people who were there in 1980, who were in cabinet since 1980, who were in positions of authority since 1980, and when all these things happened, what were they doing as individuals? That will give you a clear picture about these people. That will give you a highlight of how incompetent and clueless these people are. So when you hear the machinzi vakabirwa na Macmillan, azvitoshamisi kuti varume vanogona kunge vakatodya 10% of the looted amounts which were looted from Zimbabwe. They might have enjoyed only 10% of the loot. It's possible. Look, the issue about Chiadzwa Diamond. These are the people who presided over the loss of 15 billion United States dollars. Mugabe acknowledged it himself. Mugabe was the president. He had all the intelligence at his disposal, the military intelligence, the police intelligence, the CIO. So it means that he was well informed about that position when he uttered such words. So these are the people who worked with Mugabe. These are the people vakatobvisiswa shangu. These are the people vekuti vakasvika padzinamo dzedu avaburuke mota vanongosvika kubata maoko vakagara mumota. But this time around vakaenda vakanobviswa shangu vakagariswa pasi vakaita mukomondera. Iti muri ari rinoti svikasvika panhamo rinokuudzai kuti atigare pasi, tinoda kugara pamacheya, tinoda kurespectwa. But this time around vakaenda vakanogariswa pasi neng'anga, vakaunganidzwa neng'anga. Muri kuona rimwe riri kuzhinya iro. Anozviona? Some of them we still have them today. They sat in cabinet during that period of Robert Mugabe. Some of them are still sitting in cabinet. They never opposed this move. That is not scientific as TK. Saka vanhu ivavo. Do you think people who are superstitious like that will ever lead Zimbabwe to prosperous? People who believe that miracles will happen without hard work. People who believe that without any investment, they will make a lot of money. That is the reason why they are looting. It's because they don't have to invest anything. They just want to go and loot everything. They just want to go to the banks, take everything from us, sponsor themselves, spruce up themselves. Guys, when we are talking about these issues, we don't hate them, but they are incompetent and useless. We really need a new government. We really need people who are focused, people who are going to transform Zimbabwe, people who are going to deal with the problems of Zimbabwe as they are. People who are going to be realistic and admit that indeed we have problems, let us solve those problems. People who are going to deal with corruption, people who are going to deal with nepotism, with incompetency at all levels. People who are going to make sure that qualified people, competent people are in positions of power, not cronyism. Let us register to vote.